So we're going to start recording is in this session, which is help me out with the date is June 19th. June 19th. ELT115 section 3. I always associate this date with the Father's Day, even though it's the third Sunday in June, right? So it's usually June 19th, Father's Day, not this month, but this is the 21st, I understand, right? So I'm going to show you some sagittal views. Sagittal views is a very fancy name for this type of images. Okay, so if you pay attention, we're going to play a guessing game. Okay, in this guessing game, you're going to guess what sound is being produced here. All right, we have this flat line, which represents there is no vibration of the vocal cords. We see that the passage is blocked because the velum is raised, not lowered. So this probably is an oral sound. It's voiceless. We see here that the two lips, the upper and the lower lips, are put together. They're blocking, right, the entrance, or they're blocking the passage for the airstream. And we see this explosion here, which gives us the idea of a plosive sound. So my question is, which sound do you think represents this particular image? It's plosive, it's bilabial, it's oral, it's voiceless. What do you think?
P.
As in, I think you said P, right? Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What if we have the same articulation here? If you compare them, they are exactly the same, but the only change is this. We have vibration of the vocal cords. Which sound do you think it's produced here or articulated?
The? No?
The as in...
No. The. I don't know.
The as in day?
Yeah, the.
Okay. The. The is voiced. Absolutely. It's oral. Exactly. It's plosive. Yes, it's plosive. When we articulate the, do we use both lips?
No, I think the tongue and the alveolar ridge.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We put the tongue in the alveolar ridge when we say d. So which sound do we make when we put the two lips together?
The.
Maybe the initial sound in the word bed.
The.
Okay. Bed. So initial sound in bed would be b. That's right.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at your answers. So you said p, and then you said b. Perfect. So we have p in the first one and b in the second one. P as in pan. This is a pan when you can prepare your own eggs, right? And b as in boy, right? Good. Let me show you another image. Which sound do you think is produced here? Try to guess. Some clues. Voiceless, oral, alveolar, plosive.
Maybe T, like in
Okay.
tape.
Okay. What if we have the same, you see, the same place of articulation, and the only variation is voicing. This time is a voiced sound. What do you think? Still oral, still plosive, still alveolar.
The sound that JP said, it's the.
D, as in
Yeah, the.
that one, right? As in they don't. Okay, let's see. T and D. Perfect. T in the first one as in time, and D in the second one as in dime. Okay, and let me give you one more image. What do you think, guys?
Maybe it could be K.
Okay. What are the signs for this to be K, as in coin?
I think the tongue and plosive.
Exactly. So it's plosive, K, as in coin, Kansas, character, velar, right? The back of the tongue is pressed against the velum or soft palate. Voiceless, good. Oral sound, and the same challenge. It's the same place of articulation, but only voicing changes.
The sound G, like in the word get.
G, as in the word get. Okay, so we have K and G. Let's take a look. Perfect. Well done. K as in cap, G as in gap. All right. Good. How do you feel about this sagittal views? Are they difficult for you to interpret? Easy?
Kind of difficult, maybe, but I think it's just memorize.
Uh-huh. Would you like to see some more, or you think you're fine with this?
More. Some more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, good. Next one. What do you think?
It's like that sound.
Okay, let's try that one. As in fun, right? 5.
Right.
Okay. Let's take a look. It's voiceless, oral, and labiodental. There's no plosion here, right? No plosion here at all. So it looks like a sound. Okay, let's change this picture. Same articulation, this time with voicing or vibration in the vocal cords. What do you think?
La B corta.
V corta es una letra, but I'm looking for sounds here. That's why I'm using the slashes.
Okay.
So when you say, for example, V, you're saying the letter but the sound is just exactly. Some linguists or phoneticians place the sound in between two schwas. So when they produced this sound, they say over, over, or for example, they put earther, earther. Some linguists do that. So if you see, if you hear this in a recording or if you watch this in the video, it's also the same thing. They are just isolating the sound in between two quite neutral sounds, which are the schwas, right? So, but if we produce this isolated, individually, right? It's okay. So you said and perfect. As in fan, as in van. Okay, this is very, very the key point here. If you see the top teeth or the upper teeth pressed against the bottom lips, that's key for labiodental sounds, right? Labiodentals. What about this one?
Maybe like think.
As in think, right?
Yes.
Now, what if I give you this as a quiz, or I give you this in a test, in the speaking test? I show you some pictures, and then you have to explain. How would you explain this answer? I mean, this answer is correct, but how? How do you explain it?
For the position of the tongue, it's interdental.
Uh-huh.
Fricative. Fricative.
Fricative, right?
And voiceless.
Perfect. I sound just like the math teacher saying, okay, but how do you get the result? I mean, yeah, the answer, the result is correct, but how did you get the result, right? I sound like that. But yes, it's perfect. It's interdental because the tip of the tongue is in between the teeth, producing a fricative sound, right? Because the friction is created by these articulators, and there is no vibration of the vocal cords. Same thing, and the vocal cords are vibrating.
Let me write in the chat.
Hello.
I write the symbol in the chat, teacher.
Excellent, good. Yeah, I do agree with you. Because the only difference between th and the is voicing. All right, voila. So it's the only difference. Both of them are interdental. Both of them are oral. Both of them are fricative. Voicing, the only difference. Th as in thick, th as in the. Next picture and final picture, if you want. What do you think? As in?
Yeah, like the snake, right?
Okay. Okay, good. How do you get the result? I don't tell me. I just looked at the picture, right?
Actually, I do that.
Okay. So this is a good clue, right? Okay, I gave this clue because if the snake is not here, it might look a bit similar to other sounds. Right, a little bit similar. And the next one, what if you add vibration here?
Z.
Z.
Zzz, perfect. Zzz, good job. S as in Sue, Z as in zoo. If you pay attention, these are minimal pairs, right? Because the only difference is the initial sound, S and Z. So you could perfectly say in the same sentence, I went with Sue to the zoo, or Sue visited the zoo, right? And so if you don't make that voicing difference, it sounds like Sue visited the zoo. Sue visited the zoo. So Sue visited another person called the Sue, right? I don't know. Okay, so it's very important, the voicing. Z, z. Next one, what do you think? Next one and last one.
I will write in the chat, teacher.
Do you all agree with Nelson? Voiceless, oral, and it's not like the tip of the tongue like here against the alveolar ridge, which is this area, right? It's a little bit behind the alveolar ridge, right? It's like post-alveolar, right? Post-alveolar, or we can even take this as palatal. It's the front part of the tongue, not the tip. Okay, so if we get these clues together, voiceless, oral, post-alveolar, or palatal, and probably this to articulate this the tongue, this articulator pressed against the roof of the oral cavity. It's probably narrowing the entrance, or narrowing the passage for the air. So sounds like a fricative also, right? So shh, exactly, as in ship. Good job. I mean, I think you're guessing everything here. So I would like to share with you a different activity. This time I'm going to share with the audio. Just a second. I'm trying to find the website. I think I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop sharing the PowerPoint presentation, and then it's going to be easier to find. Okay. I'm trying to share a Kahoot game. I think the game again is shown here, a 23850. And you can use your names, or you can use nicknames. I like to use nicknames, like you know, superheroes. So I invite you to join in with the Kahoot. We got JP, Pulga also.
Teacher, when it's raining, my internet is so slow. I think
You can give me the answer, and I can play it for you.
oh, okay.
Don't forget, you can give me the answer. All right. Find the word pronounced differently. Shoulder, right? Oh, not ow.
Ah, okay, it's with okay. I started thinking with consonant sound.
Okay. Find the word pronounced differently. Okay.
Please touch the circle.
Give me a color.
Yellow.
Okay. Good. Good. Give me the color, right? Pulga is ranking first. Find the word pronounced differently. Give me the color. Don't forget that.
Yellow.
Got it. Very good. All right. By the way, you're Wayne, all right? You're on fire. You have to read it and then answer it. Give me a color.
Green.
Okay. Excellent. This is what I do to keep fit. I play volleyball, right? Pulga is on fire. C. La Blanca. Interesting. Find the word pronounced differently. Give me the color.
Blue.
Get it. Perfect. Thanks. With a trap, not with a diphthong. A, right? All right. La Blanca. Who's La Blanca? Give me the color.
Green.
Okay. Ow, how. The other ones were oh, old, go, hello. All right. La Blanca is on fire. La Pulga is old. Read this.
Se está quemando.
Give me the color.
Yellow.
Get it.
Ah, está difícil.
Good. Everyone got correct. La Blanca is on fire. Find the word pronounced differently. Give me the color.
Yellow.
Get it? Desk, berry, pen, read. The only difference, read. The other ones were with e. Interesting, right? I would like to visit one day. Give me the color.
Ah, me equivoqué.
Give me the color.
Red.
Red. Okay. China. China. China.
Me equivoqué.
All right. La Blanca is still top one in the ranking. Okay, focus on the initial sound, all right? Give me the color.
Green.
Green.
Okay, I'm not really sure.
Exactly. K. Voiceless velar sound, K, as in cow. Again, initial sound. Pay attention. Give me the color. Green. Voiceless labiodental fricative.
Oh, no sé, creo.
Finger.
Ah, yeah.
Finger,
I started
yes.
thinking in hand.
Mueve callo.
Okay, I think it was too slow, right? Which word is pronounced differently? Give me the color.
Blue. Green.
Get it? Exactly. The rest were all fall, tall. $14 out of 20. The color.
Green.
Get it? A, diphthong. The other ones were monophthongs, right? $15 out of 20. Get it? Exactly, the rest were a trap, right? Pulga on fire. We've got 4 more to go, right?
Red.
Get it? Good job, guys. Pulga on fire. 17 out of 20. Multiplied by 2.
Yellow.
$18 out of 20. Color.
Yellow.
Jeans. Jeans, all right? G. 19 out of 20. We got 2 more to go.
Yellow.
Got it? Exactly. All of the other ones were and this one's it was a hat, right? Was a trap. And I think the last one, this Kahoot game, 20 out of 20.
Blue.
Got it? Excellent. It was a diphthong, right? And the other ones were monophthongs. Puglia, you were the winner today, followed by C, and then La Blanca. Very, very cryptical nicknames. Okay, very cryptical nicknames. Congratulations for the ones who participated. I think it was very interesting, and it goes really fast the way you're answering. Okay, today we had some presentations, mini lessons on consonant sounds, right? So do you have them ready? Do you need more time to finish them? I'm thinking about this task, right? Movie or an interview or a speech or a TED talk. I don't remember if I gave you this example last class. Did I show you this example?
Yes.
Okay. And so I would like a volunteer to help us out with this phonemic analysis of consonant sounds. Okay. Remember, you are the one who is volunteering is the teacher, right? So you are presenting the consonant sound, but you're also interacting with us, so you can ask questions to us. Okay. So who would like to be volunteer?
Profesor, disculpe, para esta tarea había que hacer una presentación, por ejemplo, un PowerPoint o algo, porque la verdad Yo lo hice así escrito en mi cuaderno.
Excellent. Yeah. No. The PowerPoint, it was just one option. It could be a Word file, a piece of paper,
Y el
anything.
video para mostrarlo no había que descargarlo, ¿verdad?
No. Even if you have issues sharing the video, you can share with me the link through the chat. I can look it up, and then I can show the video, and then give you the possibility to give the analysis.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you cannot show the video, copy and paste the link in the chat, and I can show it right here. Okay. So yeah, PowerPoint. I don't know, an Excel file, whatever you feel more comfortable with. Okay. So, are you ready with your task? I mean, or would you like to have a break now and then we continue?
Yes, please.
Sure. So let's have a 10-minute break, and then after the break, we can have your mini lessons, mini presentations on consonant sounds. Remember that this is just a task. This is not graded, but this goes to your portfolio because it's one activity that you're doing as part of the class. So I will see you in 10 more minutes. And if you're not finished, just show whatever you have. Okay. And if you have not started yet, I guess you can take the rest of the class to finish this, because I'm very interested in you showing you whatever you know. Okay, that's what a class is for, right? To practice, to make mistakes, to try. Okay, trial and error. Alrighty. So I got the link that you sent me, Soledad, and we're going to stop the session now for 10 minutes for a short break, and then we resume the session. All right.